back, and today I am going to be showing y'all a wig, and I got a huge surprise for y'all because y'all not even gonna guess what kind of style I'm doing today. Like, I have never done nothing like this, but guess what? It's time to pop out, do some new stuff. I always got a regular frontal sewing, you know, frontal wig. It's time to do something different. And today I got me this wig from DY Hair 777, and y'all guess what they gave me? It's a short wig, okay? Meaning, like, I'm finna do some bomb finger waves on this. Even though it's already a little bit wavish, like finger wavish, but I'm about to spice it up just a little bit because, you know, I got to. So I'm gonna just define some parts because some parts I kind of finger comb down a little bit, and I kind of just want to fix it up and whatnot. A little bit more jazzy and, you know, more me. So yeah, I'm gonna just show you how I apply this wig, and then I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of basic makeup. And then we just gonna see how this style turn out. If you would like to see me do this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Okay, so I kind of, you know, tried to make it a little bit more cleaner, you know what I'm saying? So it's a tad bit wet, but we're gonna let it dry. But I'm just gonna go ahead and try to put this on my head while it's wet, but we'll see. So I think I'm gonna put it on this side. So. Adjust it to our liking, as you see me doing now. My head is so big, y'all, I promise y'all. So I'm gonna kind of just tilt it a little bit more to the side, just a little bit. And now I'm just gonna go on with the same comb and kind of just fix it up just a little bit. And then anywhere we see some baby hairs, we just gonna lay it. So take an edge brush, of course, go in, cause we finna be looking real foreign. So we're gonna try to do like some little swirls and everything. Let me see if I can get one. It's always hard for me to get a swirl with my regular baby hair. Here you got a little something. So let's see if we can do the other side. Let's bring it down a little bit. See some edges sticking out here, poking out. I'm just gonna give it a little swirl. And bring these down. So something like that. Y'all, it's not too bad, honestly. The wig, it feel real good too. And it also give you like clips and stuff to go in it. So, it's not bad, y'all. And it's summertime here in Atlanta. So it feel good, like, to not have no hair all up on your neck and stuff, like. I need my distance. You never listen. You were always tripping. I'm so over that. I want a mission, yeah. See, So y'all, this is the finished look. Y'all, I feel like Betty Boop. Like, I feel like I look like Betty Boop. Which I just wish it kind of had like a part, but it still look good. Like, it looks really good to me. And I never seen myself with short hair. Like, I'm really messing with it, kind of. I might have done something. I might have just done something. Like, might have just done something. But yeah, y'all, I hope y'all like this video, and I hope y'all go get this wig and come back to the tutorial so y'all know how to slay y'all just how I slayed mine. And I did a mini face to top it all off. So y'all already know I'm really rocking with y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget that this wig is from DY Hair 777. Wait, 777. Yeah, 777. So yeah, guys, this wig, I'll tell you, like, it's super soft. The waves stay, so it was really easy to maneuver and just go ahead and just put some more waves in there just a little bit to make them a little bit more tedious. But yeah, y'all, I really like the wig. I hope y'all like this video. Like I said, I've never done nothing like it before, and it's just something new to bring some flavor to the channel. So yeah, I hope you guys like, comment, subscribe to my channel. I love y'all, and I can't wait to see y'all in the next video. Bye.